guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create this look. So this is a very simple look which I wear whenever I wear pink or blues or white dresses. So this goes very well with those colors, especially with blues. This goes very well. So I'm going to show you how to create this look, and as you guys know, I always wear brown and black smoky eyes, but this is something which I really like, but I wear this very occasionally. So first I'm going to use this Oven Thermal Spring water on my face. This is a face mist. And next I'm going to use this MAC Studio Moisture Cream. This is my most favorite moisturizer, guys. This is one of my like a very good moisturizer, and it works very well on my skin. And next I'm going to use the MAC Stroke Cream in the shade Pink Light. I'm going to take this and apply it all over my face. This is a very simple makeup look, guys. You can wear this for any occasion. So foundation, I'm going to use this Nykaa Skin Genius foundation in the shade Warm Sand. So I'm going to use a Pack Beauty sponge to apply this. I'm going to take a little bit of this foundation, very little. I'm not going to use any concealer or corrector, guys. So I'm going to take this. You can wear this look whenever you want, guys, and this is the look I'm currently loving. Like whenever I wear blue or pink dress or even white, I wear this makeup look. You know, guys, I usually wear smoky eyes, brown smoky eyes, black smoky eyes and nude lips, but this is something which I really like whenever I wear a blue dress or a pink dress. So I'm going to blend this foundation. At my face, I'm going to use this MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in the shade MC40, and I'm going to use a stippling brush. I'm going to use this very lightly on my face because I don't want to ruin my base with applying more foundation powder, because we want that glow, right? That's what we want in this look. I'm going to set it very lightly, guys. As you can see, I'm barely touching my face. And then I'm going to do my eye makeup. So I'll finish my eyebrows and come. If you want to see my eyebrow tutorial, I'll put the link in the iCard above. Please do and check that out, and I'll finish my eyebrows and come back. So for eyes, I'm going to use this Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the shade Escapade. So this is from Sugar, and this is discontinued, guys. Unfortunately, this is discontinued. So if you have this palette, or if you have any similar shade like this, you can definitely try this look. So I'm going to use this shade right here and blend it all over my eyelids. this is a single eyeshadow look, guys. So we can do this with any color. I'm going to use the same color on my lower lash line with a small blending brush. And this look is all about applying mascara, so I'm not going to apply any kajal or liner. So I'm done. As you can see, I have applied only one single eyeshadow to get this. So yeah. And now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara from Benefit. So this is the mascara from They Are Real mascara from Benefit. So I have this in mini. So I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. This is a very good mascara, guys, by the way. One of my most favorite. I also have a video about the top 5 mascaras, I think, my most favorite mascaras. I'll share the link in the iCard above. And next for face, I'm going to apply my contour, blush and highlighter. So for contour, I'm going to use my favorite contour like I always do. This is the Makeup Forever sculpting kit, and I'm going to use this shade right here with my contour brush. So I'm going to lightly do my contour. I'm not going to go heavy with my contour. And for nose contour, I'm going to use this brush. I never skip doing my contour, guys. I always contour my face. Okay, done. And for blush, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Paris blush and in the shade Blushing Kiss. And I'm going to use this brush from Wet n Wild. I'm going to take, this has 3 gradient. So I'm going to take all of these and I'm going to put it on my cheeks. Okay, and for highlighter, I'm going to use my MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish highlighter in the shade Beaming Blush. So this is a rose gold highlighter, and MAC highlighters are awesome, guys. should say that. So I'm going to take a Real Techniques brush, and I'm going to put this on my cheekbones. Wow, yeah, I love this highlighter, guys, a lot. And lastly, I'm going to use this MAC Powder Kiss liquid lipstick, liquid color, in the shade More the Meherier. So this is my most favorite shade from MAC. So this is how it looks, and yeah. And that's it, guys. I hope you all like it. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and please do hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you will never miss any future updates from my channel. And I see you guys on my next video. Bye.